हेलो एवरीवन। तो आज हम देखने वाले हैं पाइथागोरस थ्योरम। ओके, ये ज्योमेट्री का सेकंड चैप्टर का थ्योरम है। चैप्टर का नाम ही है पाइथागोरस थ्योरम। सो फर्स्ट वी विल सी व्हाट पाइथागोरस थ्योरम इज। फ्रॉम 8th स्टैंडर्ड itself you had learned this Pythagoras theorem. Now in this 10th standard you have the proof for this theorem. Okay, सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं कि what is this Pythagoras theorem. It is the statement we will see. This you all might know from first itself. The statement goes like, in a right angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of remaining two sides. Okay, it means that in a right angled triangle, this is a right angled triangle, the square of the hypotenuse is the longest side. So this is the longest side, AC. So the square of this hypotenuse is equal to the sum of squares of remaining two sides. It means that AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square. So this is what is given, and to prove, given is that triangle ABC, angle ABC is 90, this angle is 90, this is given, and we have to prove that AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Now for this proof we will do a small construction. What we will do, a construction we will do, we will draw perpendicular segment BD. From B to AC we will draw a perpendicular line. Okay, it is called BD, and likewise ADC. ADC means D is in between A and C. Okay, so now let's start with the proof. What is the proof? First, in right angle triangle ABC, first in this right angle triangle ABC, BD is perpendicular to AC. This, by construction we have shown that BD is perpendicular to AC. So therefore, from similarity of right angle triangles, this is another theorem you will see. From this similarity of right angle triangles, this triangle ABC is similar to both the triangles, both the right angle triangles formed here, this ADB and BDC. So ABC is similar to ADB also and BDC also. So both we will take individually. First we will take that ABC is similar to ADB, this one, upper triangle, this. So in here what we will say, that if these two triangles, this bigger one and the smaller one ADB, are similar, then we will say that AB upon AD, okay, here AB upon AD is equals to BC upon DB. See, these are the corresponding sides. These are the sides of right angle, and in this triangle right angle is here. So these are the sides of right angle here. So AD is corresponding to AB, BD is corresponding to BC, and hypotenuse AC is corresponding to the hypotenuse of this triangle AB. Okay, so here from these three, these are corresponding sides, right? So we will take this first and this last. Why? Because we have AB in common. So AB upon AD is AC upon AB. So it will get cross multiplied. So we will get AB square as AD into AC. This we will consider as 1. Okay. Similarly, what we got, that AB square is AD into AC. Similarly, if we take this big triangle ABC and the second triangle, this one BDC, then what we will get, similarly, see, BC, this is the hypotenuse, and upon DC, here BC upon DC, and here we will get AC, this full, upon BC. Okay, we got here BC of this triangle, bigger triangle BC and smaller triangle BC, then equals to AC for the bigger triangle, and now BC for the smaller triangle. These both are hypotenuse of respective triangles. AC is hypotenuse for ABC and BC is hypotenuse for BDC. So here again we will cross multiply as we did here. Similarly, we will get, what we will get, BC square is equals to DC into AC. Now we have got this two. AB square is AD into AC and BC square is DC into AC. Simply we will add them, add 1 and 2, दोनों को ऐड करेंगे. तो AB square plus BC square, left hand side will get added, and right hand side will get added, AD into AC plus DC into AC. राइट हैंड साइड ऐड किया, आफ्टर दैट AC कॉमन ले लिया, यहाँ पे इधर से AD बचेगा, यहाँ पे DC बच जाएगा, ठीक है। दोनों में AC है, कॉमन ले लिया, यहाँ पे AD बच गया, यहाँ पे DC बच गया। AD प्लस DC, इफ़ यू सी इन द डायग्राम, AD प्लस DC क्या होगा, AD और DC को ऐड करेंगे तो पूरा AC बन जाएगा ना। तो यहाँ पे वो लिख दिया हमने AD प्लस DC AC। ये रीज़न दे दिया दैट D इज़ इन बिटवीन ऑफ A एंड C, सो दैट्स वाई AC into AC will come AC square. So hence we have proved our theorem that AC square is AB square plus BC square. Simple it was. Thank you.